Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm in the same outfit as I was before and I barely have any makeup on. So I was thinking of doing a video of just like not talking makeup. We're just going to talk 2020, things that 2020 made us do. I'm not speaking as a globe for some of them, but some of them I am. And what better way to do this video than in just a raggedy old t-shirt. I just got out of the shower and I just threw stuff on my face. 2020, right? Perfect. So my list, let's go on it. First thing on the list, 2020 turned people into plant lovers. All of a sudden, everyone's got succulents in their house. They're growing them. They got snake plants. Everybody calls them their little babies. We just got rid of all the animals and we just said, no, plants are much easier. I'm just kidding. I know a lot of people love their animals, but you get the point I'm trying to make. The surge definitely came upon the... That's what happened. Everyone said the world is going to plant. Second thing, and kind of attached to planting, is everyone's got a garden now. They got a garden of herbs, they got some vegetables, growing some fruits. We all seem to want to grow organic stuff at the house so that we can have a beautiful array of things to pluck out of the earth. And then furthermore, number 3, people are into cooking. And particularly cooking the stuff that they grow, whether it's vegetables or eggs from the 20 chickens that they've accumulated during the... But yes, cooking for yourself has been quite on the up and up as of this year. Number 4, decluttering, cleaning your house. That's what 2020 made you do because you have time. All of a sudden, we realize how much stuff there is and how much stuff we can live without. So a lot of people did some cleaning, not just makeup. They're cleaning the closet, they're cleaning the garage, they're cleaning their living room. Everything, the house is getting wiped out of all the unnecessaries. Number 5, 2020 made you buy toilet paper. That's it. That's all I'm gonna say. Next up, 2020 made you and I and many of us addicted to technology. We love the social medias and the streaming subscriptions and the online gaming because what else is there to do? You can't go outside and talk to Meredith across the street. No, because Meredith needs to take care of her family and you need to take care of yours. So you're going to talk to Meredith on the freaking computer. People are just bored. People want interaction with each other, and the best form to do it without putting others in harm's way is via technology. Henceforth, we are on it a lot. 2020 made people look back at other fashion trends. I see a lot of 80s, 90s, and early 2000s making a comeback in this new generation. They're like, no, we don't need new trends. Let's just recycle. We're all about saving the planet, so we might as well recycle trends too. Also in the same kind of realm, 2020 has made people dye their hair every 2 months. First it's like pink and you're like, damn, I'm tired of this. 2020 was traumatic. Let's go navy blue. People are coloring their hair up the yin yang. But the one trend that needs to stay in the past that is making a comeback and really upsets me is the damn mullet. What are y'all thinking? No. Leave that where it was. 2020 has made many of us germophobic. For many of us, our hands, our body has never felt as dry as it has been because of the contact we have with alcohol. When someone coughs, you know, alarm goes off in your head. When have you ever thought like that? I'll tell you when. 2020. Next up, 2020 has made everyone a researcher. You research everything. You look up the news and see what everyone else is saying about everywhere else in the world. You're also looking up what Aunt Meredith's state regulations are for their stuff of, you're wondering, is she doing okay and what she needs to handle? in Oklahoma, or whether we're at the end of the world. But you definitely have done quite a bit of researching in this given time. And lastly, hoping to end on a good note, I think 2020 has made us look beyond our own walls, our own little communities. We're learning more about people out there in the world, learning from them and trying to help them out. We're a little bit more aware of people in a global sense. And for the people that we hold dear to ourselves, I feel like we care a little bit more, and more so specifically showing that and expressing it to the people that we care about. That is definitely, for me, I feel the biggest takeaway. Everyone is going through something. It may not be in the same way, but it has been a tough year for every single person. So yes, thank you so much for joining me in this video. It was supposed to be fun, and I had the time to film it, and my camera's about to die, so I'm just gonna wrap it up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until the next one, hope you all are doing well, taking great care of yourselves. I will see you all next time. Bye guys. It's so fiery hot today. My air conditioner is broken. I'm getting a new one tomorrow. And wow, I didn't even fix my... That's how rushed I felt today. Anyways, guys want some cookies?